Next is Bible to mke wa Jonathan, itapeanwa na Askofu Kotut. Okay. Tutauliza Bishop Kishure atapeana kwa John Mark. The wife is there. Please, can you kindly stand and receive? And then we will ask Bishop Kirui. Bishop Kirui, you give it to June. Mrs. Diego, please, can you come? You also give to Doris. Doris, please, can you stand? Philip, kindly can you stand? Bishop Kimenjik will give you the Bible. Kimenjik. Thank you. It's finished. Thank you. We really appreciate. Can we appreciate?
As I said, everything we are doing today ni mambo ya mzee. Abana yetu